So yesterday was cleanup day and I wanted to help somehow, and this is how I helped. I picked up some cigarette butts, and I was amazed. I thought that I'm not going to find that many. There's quite a lot, and please don't throw them out because they are polluting the sea and the water. One cigarette butt pollutes 1 cubic meter of water. That's a lot of water, meter by meter by meter. Take a look at this this photograph of 1 cubic meter of water. So take a look. So this is 1 cubic meter of water. You see, it's like a big container. That's a lot of water. Okay, please don't pollute the streets and the sea. Be awesome. And also it brings microplastic into the food chain, into the fish, and it goes straight to the sea. And Tallinn is a seaside city, and it's interesting. One more thing, I noticed that where are those butts the most? Obviously where the people are spending their time the most, at the parks, near the benches, near the parking lots, a lot near the parking lots, close to the road, and near the bus stops. So I don't know, is it a profile that drivers smoke more and then flick those cigarette butts out of the window? I don't know. One more thing, why not to do that, to throw out the cigarette butts, is if you're not worried about your privacy. Because, for example, you are leaving DNA on the cigarette butt, and maybe you are worried about your internet search history or whatever, spying, how Big Brother is spying on you, the government is spying on you, and then you're nagging about this, but you throw out your cigarette butt. Okay, don't be stupid. And that's it. That's a video for me for today, and I'll go on. By the way, one other very positive thing for me picking up cigarette butts is it's a great exercise for my butt. Because you have to bend down, maybe. So that's a good reason. For me it's a good sport, but still, don't do it. Okay, see you in the next video. So let's do it! dusty, but that's the progress until now. So hi, we almost have finished, and we found what is this? Mice nest. That's a second cut. My sister corrected me that I said mouses. Of course it's mice. Take a look. So you see, in this wall they have brought some, what is this, leaves or plastic bags, things, and everything has been in the wall. So that's it. Take a look at what we did. Now is 2:30. We are going to order a container to take the trash away, obviously next week sometime, because we have a little bit of more demolition work to do. So what is the take from that situation? Those jobs which you can do yourself, try do yourself, because we got several quotes for this job, demolition of the wall, and to make sure that paperwork is okay, they wanted, two companies, 2,000 euros for a day's job. We are going to get the paperwork done, but of course 2,000 euros in Estonia is a lot of money. It's like two average or two minimum salaries in Tallinn. So okay, that was what I wanted to tell you. Mice and do it yourself. Okay, see you.